TATSoul is proud to introduce the all-new TATSoul Gen 2 Premium Foot Switch. The Gen 2 foot switch retains the same quality as the Gen 1, but now with the option to adjust foot switch sensitivity according to your personal preference. In addition, it features an improved spring mechanism as compared to Gen 1. It's heavy-duty and built for everyday use. An info card explaining how to adjust is included with each foot switch. To increase sensitivity, turn counterclockwise. To decrease sensitivity, turn clockwise. An Allen key is also included with each foot switch. Place the Allen key in the center of the foot switch and turn to desired direction. You will notice a clear difference. It features 360-degree access, a 6.5-foot cord, and a 1/4 inch mono plug. It comes in red, black, and limited edition antique finish. It includes the same components and build as a Line Master Gem foot switch. It has a 1-year warranty. For more information or to order, visit TATSoul.com.